Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reset Aetna account password, recovery guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. Navigate to the Aetna official website. Once on the home page, locate the sign in button at the upper right corner. Click on the sign in button. You will be redirected to the login page. Under the login fields, find the link that says Forgot Password. Click on the Forgot Password link. You will be prompted to enter your email address associated with your Aetna account. Type in your email address carefully, ensuring that it is accurate. After entering your email, click on the Submit button. Check your email inbox for a password reset link from Aetna. If you do not see the email, be sure to check your spam or junk folder. Click the link provided in the email to initiate the password reset process. This will take you to the password reset page on the Aetna website. You may be prompted to answer security questions for verification. Carefully answer the security questions if required. Once verified, you will be able to create a new password. Enter your new password in the designated field. Re-enter the new password to confirm it matches. Make sure your password meets Aetna's security requirements. After confirming your new password, click on the Submit button. You should see a notification confirming that your password has been successfully reset. Now, return to the Aetna login page. Enter your email address and new password to access your account. You have successfully reset your Aetna account password. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.